Alright, to turn the drone on, you press and hold the power button. Hello everyone, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. So for today we're checking out the XiL 19.3 Max 2. So this is a full professional drone. So we're going to show you guys what you get inside the box and go from there. So a couple features really quick here. It's got soar option, GPS home, go away, waypoint flight, intelligent app following, 360 circle, obstacle avoidance, ultra HD aerial photograph, 3-axis anti-shake and self-stabilizing gimbal, electronic image stabilization, and spiral. So guys, right away we see a very nice carrying case. There's a pocket in the front for storing different items inside. You got a strap for carrying as well. They give you a manual inside there. Here is the drone, as well as they give you a nice little guide just going over different stuff for the drone. So guys, the battery is a massive 7.6 volt 5000 mAh battery. So you get a 2-pack. So we're not joking around here. This drone is professional. This is gonna be a drone that I think everyone's gonna love. I can't wait to get started. Flight test. You can test the battery by pressing right here. That shows you the battery level. So far, this drone is not lacking any features. So here is the remote control. As you guys can see, nice little sleek design with the LCD display right here. You have different modes. You got your speeds, video, photo, nice tight controls. As you can see, full 360 rotation on each control. GPS on, GPS off, easy push button. Great spot for your cell phone. It extends out pretty far, so you can have something pretty far out. Down here, this makes it easy gripping. So when you're using two hands, this pops out for easy gripping and holding of your screen. On the side here, you have your off and on button right there. That just slides on and off. They provide you with a screwdriver, charging cable, and extra blades. By the way, this is fully rechargeable by plugging in right there. So what's nice about that is no more dealing with pesky batteries. This is your laser obstacle avoidance. Once plugged in, do not look directly at the laser lens, but this is for avoiding objects. So when I say it's feature packed, it's really feature packed. The moment you've all been waiting for is the drone reveal. So this is it. This is the drone. As you can see, it fits in my hand. I have about medium-sized hands. It's got a little weight to it. You got the front. The blades just pull directly out. This is it, guys. So once fully spread out, as you can see, it's a nice size drone. Camera right in the front there. Fully adjustable. So again, guys, this is not your typical run-of-the-mill drone. So on the top here is where you're going to be installing your laser obstacle or obstacle laser. And make sure you apply it firmly down in. Alright, to turn the drone on, you press and hold the power button. Pretty awesome. So now it's ready to pair. So what you're going to do is follow your manual follow your controller, and don't try and do this indoors. So we're gonna head on out. So also guys, the SD card slot is right there. So it's right on the side. You just put your SD card in there so you can get some good footage. So for this, if you take both controls, so let's see if we can show you guys here. Press them down in the side, and then if you hold down, it will turn off the blades. But if you press down like that, it will start it. So it's actually pretty quiet, just idling. Hey guys, so after looking at the footage, I have to give this drone the #1 spot. It is the best drone that I've ever reviewed, and we're talking about drones that I've reviewed that are like 5 levels higher or supposed to be higher than this one. No, this one is the best drone in quality that I've ever reviewed. As far as performance and agility, it's probably not the best as far as agility goes, you know, maneuvering, spinning, and whatnot. But it gets the #1 spot, and in my book, I mean, it gets a Scott pass beyond any passes. It is an amazing drone, all around an amazing drone, and we haven't even touched half the features. There's so much more. We could make a 5-hour video if we went over all the features, guys. I don't think you're going to be disappointed at all. Even if you are very familiar with drones and been flying them for a while, I think you're going to be very impressed with the quality and just the performance.